Okay, we're going to call this bike the Connecticut Red KZ1000. This is a 1977 KZ1000, and we found this by chance over in Connecticut. I had a customer call me that saw me on YouTube and everything, and so anyway, we made it happen, and I picked it up. Now, normally I was going to take something covered, but we had to kind of haul it outside. So the bike is actually cleaner than it looks. So anyway, we're going to go over this a little bit. I don't have the key with me, but anyway, what I want to show is it does have the original airbox, tool tray. This is all genuine stuff, and this looks like the stuff's kind of soft still, so that's good as we push down. Okay, the bike got some salt on it and stuff from the road, hauling it on an outside trailer. I really don't like to do that. It's horrible. But we did it. It's got a Kirker header on it. Looks like it's got the original Kirker bracket coming off here. Shocks got a little rust on them. Tires kind of shot in the rear. I'll probably have a tire laying around for it, so the newer style Dunlops, the K70s or something like that. 9,400 original miles. Everything looks pretty good. The salt job didn't help it, but it looks like we got the original headlight bucket, original headlamp unit. Everything looks pretty original, so we're going to try to we're not going to restore this, but we're going to put it back together as a good running bike, and I'm going to try to find an original stripe kit for it and restripe it. It's not original paint. We're going to try to dress it up, get the original stripe kit for it, maybe get a bar for it. Now, it's got a 76 seat on it. Even though I don't have the key with me today, it is a 76 seat, as it has no latch, or has no catch for the latch that holds the cover up, the seat from hitting the side cover. So anyway, but it feels like the brakes work. I've got the key for it at home. Seems like the rear brake works on it. And it looks like it's a really easy bike to restore. This is going to be a good one. There's a little pitting and stuff. We're going to make my plan of attack is to put the stripes on it, get an original exhaust on it. They kind of go through the motions. Now, the customer that I got this from, he had an issue where he was trying to tune it up. So he pulled the points out of it and had some issues. So we put the point plate on it before we took it. So just kind of want to keep you posted. The gas tank has been lined. So it looks like I got the original mirrors. But the bike all in all is pretty nice. So we're going to start dissecting it next couple days here. So thanks a lot for tuning in to our stuff. Okay, we've got the Connecticut Red KZ1000. And as you can see, when we first got the bike, it was all red. And we got these decal kits from Rick Brett. The paint is not too bad on it, but the stripes just make it look so much nicer. And actually, my wife did a professional job on this on our kitchen table. So I just thought I'd show you what these decals look like from Rick Brett when they're put on the bike. Now, the bike is painted more towards the 78 KZ1000A, but it's actually 77 KZ1000A. And I wanted to show you what the blue looks like before it fades. So there's original paint, faded and faded and faded. Tail section faded. And here we go with a nice body set. So just thought we'd show you this. This is a nice bike in 9,000 miles. We put just a gorgeous set of pipes on it with no road rash. It's all coming together nice. I have a seat cover coming for it because I wanted to get the right cover. And of course we have the tank and everything. So what we've done, Kenny's drained the carburetors. He set the timing. We didn't change the oil simply because it looks so nice in the window. Now maybe after we fire it up we might want to change it after we get it warmed up a little bit, but it looks really great. The brakes all have good pressure. So I took a 76 seat off of it, but the bike is looking really good. And this will be the first time it's been started in some time, so let's hear it run. Okay, now that we've heard it start, we're going to take it outside just for a little bit, but it's snowing out. Here we go. Sounds like we got a little exhaust leak. Probably all kinds of stuff inside them from sitting. Everything works. Bike really runs nice. We're going to see if the charging system works. Definitely not discharging. Wonderful. Charging is working. This bike runs nice. All those pipes. Okay, we're not going to ride it today because of the snow and the ice. But we just wanted to get it fired up so you can see what it's all about. And I'd say we definitely have a really good one here. We'll be offering it for sale very soon. Thanks. Okay, here's our KZ1000A from Connecticut. Nice job. Bike runs great. I'm not going to start it up right now because it's obviously snowing and stuff. I'm not going to ride it. If you look at the bike, it's got 9,407 miles. That's documented as actual. It's not original paint, but it is painted red, and we put the stripes on it. We got these from Rick Brett, United Kingdom. The gas tank has been sealed with no rust on the inside. The gas tank looks really cool. The cap looks pretty nice. Just a good looking piece. Everything works. Got decent tires. Now this is not the original seat. I do have the original seat being reupholstered right now, and it takes a different stitching on the top. It's the same style base, but it's different stitching. Now if we look under here, you can see we got the stock air box, we have the tool tray, got the original manual. This is all really nice stuff. So like I say, we will, unless you wanted this seat, we could give you this one, but we are going to put the original seat on it as soon as it gets back from the upholster. The bike, to the best of my knowledge, has never been in an accident. There's no road rash on the pipes, no broken fins. I don't see any issues of oil leaks, no dents in the tank. We did put a new chain on it. This has the makings of a really nice bike to restore if you wanted to do that, but this is a pretty great bike as it is. It's an unrestored bike. It needs a few nuts and bolts here and there that we were on the fence on fixing, but we didn't. but you can tell from the foot peg rubbers and everything, they're very, very, very low mileage on this motorcycle. So we're going to be offering this for sale, and as we race motorcycles all over the country, we might be able to offer some low-cost shipping on request. It depends if we're going that way or not. So good luck, and hope it goes to a nice home. Thanks.